Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Introduction. When it comes to working with wire and cable installations, having a reliable and efficient wire cable tracker tester is essential. These handy devices help electricians, technicians, and DE enthusiasts to accurately locate and trace cables, identify faults, and ensure smooth connectivity. With a wide range of options available on the market, choosing the best wire cable tracker tester can be a daunting task. To simplify your search, we have compiled a list of the top 5 best wire cable tracker testers, known for their exceptional performance, features, and user satisfaction. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, these wire cable tracker testers are sure to meet your needs and provide reliable results. Let's dive into the details of these top-rated devices to find the perfect one for your cable tracking requirements. Number 5. BSIDE FWT11 Wire Cable Tracker Tester. The BSIDE FWT11 Wire Cable Tracker is a reliable and versatile tool for testing and tracing cables. With its cable measuring distance of 300 meters, it offers a generous range for cable tracking and identification. This cable tester is specifically designed for network wire tracking, and it supports both RJ45 and RJ11 cable types, making it suitable for a variety of applications. It excels at detecting network cables and can accurately identify their continuity and line level. One of the notable features of the FWT11 is its ability to detect telephone job status, which is a valuable addition for professionals working in telecommunications. Additionally, it supports positive and negative polarity detection, further enhancing its utility in cable testing scenarios. The FWT11 is easy to operate, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Its sturdy build quality ensures durability, and the inclusion of a power supply for the router adds convenience during testing. Number 4. ODINTT MY6818 Wire Cable Tracker Tester. The ODINTT MY6818 Wire Cable Tracker Tester is a reliable and efficient tool for tracing and identifying wires and cables. With its compact design and user-friendly interface, it provides convenience and accuracy in wire tracking tasks. One of the standout features of the MY6818 is its ability to locate wires buried underground or hidden behind walls. The transmitter sends a signal through the wire, and the receiver detects and traces the signal, allowing you to quickly pinpoint the wire's location. This feature is particularly useful for electricians, network technicians, and DE enthusiasts working on cable installations or repairs. The MY6818 offers multiple tracking modes, including an automatic mode that scans and identifies wires without the need for manual adjustments. Additionally, it has adjustable sensitivity levels, enabling you to customize the tracking process based on the specific environment or wire conditions. The tester comes with a clear LCD display that provides real-time data and signal strength indicators, ensuring easy interpretation of results. The built-in headphone jack allows for hands-free operation, making it convenient to use in noisy environments. Another advantage of the MY6818 is its durability and long-lasting performance. The rugged construction and high-quality materials ensure its reliability even in demanding working conditions. While the MY6818 is generally effective in wire tracking tasks, it may encounter some limitations. The signal strength may weaken over long distances or when obstructed by dense materials. Additionally, the accuracy of wire identification may vary depending on the complexity of the wiring system. Number 3. NOYAFA NF8209's Wire Cable Tracker Tester. I recently had the opportunity to use the NOYAFA NF8209's Wire Cable Tracker Tester, and I must say, it exceeded my expectations. The compact design, measuring 125 x 70 x 32 mm, makes it easy to carry around, and the package includes everything you need. The 2.8-inch LCD screen is clear and easy to read, providing a convenient interface for testing cables. One of the standout features of this tester is its versatility. It is compatible with both CAT5 and CAT6 network cables, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The length measurement range of 2.5 to 600 meters is impressive and allows for accurate cable length assessment. The built-in 3.7V 1400 mAh lithium battery is long-lasting and ensures that you won't run out of power in the middle of a task. Additionally, the low-voltage prompt and low battery reminder features provide timely alerts, so you can plan accordingly. During my testing, the NOYAFA NF8209s performed flawlessly. It accurately identified and traced cables, saving me time and effort. The results were displayed quickly on the LCD screen, making it easy to interpret the findings. Number 2. NOYAFA NF8209 Wire Cable Tracker Tester. I recently had the opportunity to test out the NOYAFA NF8209 Wire Cable Tracker Tester, and I must say that I'm impressed with its performance and functionality. This device proved to be an invaluable tool for anyone working with network cables, offering a range of features that make cable testing and tracking a breeze. First and foremost, the NF8209 is incredibly accurate when it comes to identifying and tracking cables. Whether you're dealing with Ethernet cables, telephone wires, or coaxial cables, this tester excels at pinpointing the correct cable amidst a tangle of wires. Its cable tracker function proved to be particularly handy, allowing me to follow cable routes with ease and identify any breaks or faults along the way. One of the standout features of the NF8209 is its versatility. It supports multiple functions, including NF488, Tester RJ45, Network Cable Tester, RJ45 Tester, LAN Tester, and Cable Tracker. This wide range of capabilities means that you can rely on a single device for all your cable testing needs, saving both time and money. Whether you're a professional network technician or a ODINTT enthusiast, this tester offers all the essential tools to ensure the integrity and functionality of your cables. I found the NF8209 to be very user-friendly. The color-coded interface and intuitive controls make it easy to navigate through the different functions and settings. Additionally, the built-in port flash feature is a welcome addition, allowing for quick and convenient cable identification in low-light environments. Durability is another area where the NF8209 shines. Its solid construction and rugged design inspire confidence, knowing that it can withstand the demands of regular use in various work environments. The gray color adds a professional touch and makes it easy to spot the device in a toolbox or equipment bag. Finally, I must mention the packaging. The NOYAFA NF8209 comes in a sturdy color box, which not only protects the device during shipping, but also serves as a practical storage solution. The packaging reflects the overall quality of the product and demonstrates the manufacturer's attention to detail. Number 1. NOYAFA NF826 Wire Cable Tracker Tester. I recently had the opportunity to use the NOYAFA NF826 Wire Cable Tracker Tester, and I must say, it's a game changer when it comes to wire cable tracking. This compact and versatile tool impressed me with its accuracy, efficiency, and ease of use. Here's why I highly recommend it to anyone in need of a reliable cable tracker. First and foremost, the NF826 excels in its ability to locate and trace wires with precision. Whether you're dealing with network cables, telephone lines, coaxial cables, or even buried wires, this tester provides reliable results. The transmitter unit emits a strong signal that the receiver can detect, allowing you to follow the cable path effortlessly. I found this feature incredibly helpful when dealing with complex wiring setups. The NF826 is incredibly user-friendly, even for those who are not experienced in cable tracking. The interface is straightforward, featuring a clear LCD screen that displays relevant information, such as the cable type, signal strength, and battery status. The buttons are well placed and responsive, ensuring seamless navigation and operation. Additionally, the device comes with a comprehensive user manual that offers step-by-step instructions and troubleshooting tips, making it easy to get started. One notable feature of the NF826 is its versatility. It offers multiple modes, including scan, tone, and continuity, allowing you to tackle various cable tracking tasks efficiently. The scan mode, in particular, impressed me with its ability to quickly identify the target cable among a bundle of wires. The tone mode generates an audible tone, which proved handy when dealing with long cables or those hidden behind walls. Furthermore, the continuity mode detects open circuits, making it an invaluable tool for troubleshooting faulty connections. Durability is another aspect where the NF826 excels. The rugged build ensures it can withstand the rigors of regular use in different environments. The transmitter and receiver units have sturdy exteriors that can handle accidental drops or minor impacts, providing peace of mind in demanding work conditions. One minor drawback I noticed is the lack of a backlight for the LCD screen, which can make it challenging to read in low-light situations. However, this is a minor inconvenience that can be overcome with the assistance of an external light source. Thanks for watching this video.